There is no cream or body lotion out there that will lighten your skin in 3 or 5 days. In fact, come close. Beyond so, your skin is not a chameleon to be changing color overnight. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today's video is a much requested video. We are going to be talking about how to make your skin 2 to 3 shades lighter. So if you're one of those aiming to achieve 2 shades or 3 shades lighter skin tone without bleaching their skin or damaging their skin in the process and having dark knuckles, discolorations, and uneven skin tone, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe, because I'll be walking you through the best methods or ways and safe skin lightening products you can use to achieve that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. So let's dive right into it. Guys, before we dive right into today's video, please do me a favor and like this video. It goes a long way. Okay, now one thing I need you guys to understand, especially if you want to lighten your skin and achieve that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone, is that skin lightening is not an overnight process. So if you're one of those that is always looking for a quick result or looking for one Oshaprapra cream that will lighten your skin overnight, then I'm so sorry to disappoint you, because you're going to end up with terrible and horrible damages that you might not even be able to come out from in a long while. Like, there are some elderly women that when you see them these days, you will see this kind of discoloration on their face. They have used all manner of creams on their faces and they cannot even be able to repair it. Those are the kind of horrible pigmentation or discoloration you might end up with if you continue to look for quick lightening products. See, one thing no one will ever tell you is that safe skin lightening takes time. It can take weeks, months, depending on your skin, the type of products you use, and how consistent you are. Quick results usually involves unsafe practices like using bleaching creams. These bleaching creams will end up giving you terrible green veins, dark knuckles, stretch marks, hyperpigmentation, hypopigmentation that you will not be able to come out from in a long time.
Why do we keep doing that?
So with all of that said, I've actually taken my time to handpick some of my favorite and safe skin lightening products that will make your skin 2 to 3 shades lighter without bleaching your skin or damaging your skin. This product I'm about to show you guys works hand in hand with one another. So when paired together, they are going to give you that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone without damaging your skin or giving you terrible discolorations and pigmentations. Now, the first product I have for you guys that will give you that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone without bleaching or damaging your skin is this glutathione injection tomato gluta soap. So this is the shower gel right here. This is the shower gel right here. This is the shower. So this is actually a body soap that you can use to lighten up your skin and achieve that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. This particular glutathione injection shower gel contains different lightening ingredients like glutathione, tomato, citric acid, lemon extract. This shower gel contains amazing skin lightening ingredients that will safely lighten up your skin. It's a soap that can be used from your face down to your feet. This particular shower gel is going to lighten up your complexion and make your skin look so much fresh, smooth, and beautiful. Guys, this is one shower gel that I personally have been using, and I'm going to tell you one thing for a fact. This particular shower gel is going to give you that lighter, even skin tone. Your skin is going to look spotless and glowing. This is a powerful lightening shower gel and it's going to lighten up your complexion and give you that smooth, even, beautiful, healthy looking skin tone. See, one amazing tip about using lightening soaps or shower gel to lighten up your skin is the fact that it's not going to give you any form of adverse effect on the skin. Your body lotions get to sit on your skin from morning till night till you wash it out. but your shower gel instantly stays on your skin like a minute or two. So this glutathione injection shower gel is actually going to lighten up your complexion without any form of damages or bleaching your skin. Now, if you cannot afford to get this particular glutathione injection shower gel, I would definitely advise you opting for the K Brothers soap. Guys, this is another amazing lightening soap that can be used on both your face and your body. It's going to serve similar purpose to your shower gel. Now, the next or second product I would advise or recommend you have in your skincare routine if you want to make your skin 2 to 3 shades lighter is this Cool Spa Turmeric Salt Scrub. And this is the scrub right here. Now, one thing I need you to understand is that regular exfoliation is the key to a lighter, brighter, healthy looking skin. Your body scrubs is the one thing that would help to remove all the dead skin cells on your skin and help your body lotion or any other products you apply on your skin to work so much better. So scrubbing your skin 2 or 3 times weekly is definitely going to give you that lighter skin tone that you're looking for. You're definitely going to have that beautiful, radiant, glowing skin just by exfoliating your skin. If you want to achieve that 2 shades or 3 shades lighter skin tone, do well to add a body scrub in your skincare routine. Like when I see most people saying that they don't need a body scrub in their skincare routine, I just laugh because
Oh my goodness, I love this.
you don't know the amount of dead skin cells that is being accumulated on your skin daily. Like if you want to know the amount of dead skin cells you have on your skin, try using a chemical exfoliant on your skin 2 or 3 times in a week, and you're going to definitely understand why you need a body scrub or chemical exfoliant in your skincare routine. And guys, this Cool Spa Turmeric Scrub is actually one of my favorite body scrubs to use, and that is because it does not just exfoliate your skin, it also contains turmeric that will help to brighten up your skin. So if you're looking to achieve that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone, just do well and add a scrub in your skincare routine and watch how amazing your skin is going to look. Now, the next or third product you will need in your skincare routine if you really want to make your skin 2 to 3 shades lighter is a lightening body lotion. And one of my favorite lightening body lotions so far is this Q7 Carrot Extract Body Milk Lotion. And this is it right here. And this is the body lotion right here. Now, I know you'll be wondering, Judy, why are you asking us to use a lightening body lotion since we're already using a lightening shower gel? Well, the truth is, when it comes to achieving that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone, using a lightening shower gel alone is not going to give you that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. It's only going to lighten up your skin when you pair it with just a moisturizing body lotion. So you need a lightening body lotion in your skincare routine if you really want to achieve that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. When you're opting in for a lightening body lotion, opt in for lightening body lotions that can also moisturize your skin and is very mild on the skin. Don't just go and buy Osha Prapra or bleaching creams and say Judith said you should get a lightening lotion. Get safe skin lightening lotions and add in your skincare routine. And this Q7 Carrot Extract is actually a very nice lightening lotion that you can use. This is one body lotion I've been using for years now, and it does lighten and glow the skin. All you have to do is to combine those 2 products together in the same routine and watch how your skin is going to lighten up. This is going to give you that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone when you consistently pair or use them together. This particular body lotion is going to lighten up your skin and help you achieve that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone without any form of damages on your skin. If you cannot get this particular Q7 Carrot Extract body lotion, or maybe you cannot afford to get it, you can simply opt in for the Cereal White body lotion or Silky White body lotion. These are amazing body lotions that will equally help to lighten up your skin and give you that 2 shades lighter skin tone without making your skin look like you're bleaching. Now, the next or fourth product you also need in the skincare routine is a moisturizing body lotion. And guys, one moisturizing body lotion I really recommend you use is this Vaseline body lotion. But if you cannot get this Vaseline body lotion, you can opt in for this Nivea Perfect and Radiance body lotion, or you can opt in for this CeraVe moisturizing cream. It's also going to serve the same function in your skincare routine to moisturize your skin. Now, for you to get that 2 shades, 3 shades lighter skin tone without your skin looking like you're bleaching or damaging your skin and ending up with terrible dark knuckles, green veins, and stretch marks, you need to have a moisturizing lotion in your skincare routine. And the reason is simple. Most of these lightening body lotions do not moisturize enough. So you need a body lotion that can complement the lightening effect you're getting with your lightening lotion. In other words, your skin still needs moisture to be able to survive or look healthy. So you will be depriving your skin of enough moisture when you use only lightening lotions in your skincare routine. So do well to also add a moisturizing cream in your skincare routine if you really want to get the best results out of this routine. So if you really want your skin to look healthy, get 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone, and still have people complimenting your skin, then do well to get a moisturizing body lotion and add in your skincare routine. You're going to love the glow effect. Now, the next or fifth product you will need in this routine if you want to get that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone is a body oil. And guys, one of my favorite body oils I'll recommend you use is this Veet Gold Turmeric body oil, or you can even get the Veet Gold Vitamin C body oil and add in this routine. You can also use the regular Johnson's baby oil or Pear's baby oil, depending on what body oil you can afford. Now, the whole essence of having a body oil in your skincare routine is to enhance your skin glow and lock in all the moisture you will get from your body lotion. I actually prefer this Veet Gold Turmeric body oil for a reason, and that is because it's infused with turmeric. So in other words, it's not just going to be locking in moisture and enhancing your skin's radiance, it's also going to help brighten up your complexion and give you that blended, even glowing skin tone. So combining all those products in your routine will give you that beautiful, radiant skin tone. Now, the last but not the least product you will need in this amazing skincare routine to be able to achieve that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone is a sunscreen. And I recommend using this Biore UV Watery Essence sunscreen or any other amazing sunscreen of your choice in your skincare routine. Now, the whole essence of you using a sunscreen in your skincare routine is for you to be able to protect your skin from the sun. And this Biore UV Watery Essence sunscreen is one sunscreen that is going to do that without leaving any form of white cast on your skin. Now, another reason why you need a sunscreen in your skincare routine is to prevent your skin from going darker. Like guys, your skin can actually go darker when you're lightening your skin without using sun protection. Let's face the truth. And that is because some of those lightening products contains ingredients that can make your skin to be sensitive to the sun. So when you're not using a sunscreen in your skincare routine, your skin might go darker and you'll be wondering, why am I getting darker while using all these products? And it won't occur to you that it's because you're not using a sunscreen. So do well to add a sunscreen in your skincare routine and watch how amazing your skin is going to look. Now, you guys already know that I'm a fan of preaching consistency. See, you can be using the right products in your skincare routine, but if you're not consistent or patient to see the results, trust me, you will still remain where you are. So if you have gotten the right products in your skincare routine, you need to also give the skincare products in your routine enough time to work. Don't just use a product for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month and ditch them because you feel it's not working for you. Now, let's summarize your skincare routine. You need to cleanse your skin with your lightening soap or shower gel. Try to exfoliate your skin 2 or 3 times weekly. Do not exfoliate your skin every day because that will be over exfoliation. And once you're done cleansing and exfoliating your skin, use your moisturizing body lotion in the daytime and your lightening body lotion at night. And once you're done applying your body lotion, go in with your body oil, and in the day you should apply a sunscreen on the exposed areas of your skin. And that is simply it. Stick to these simple steps and your skin is going to look 2 to 3 shades lighter and more even and healthy. This product, when combined together, is going to give you that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. So for you to achieve that, just be consistent and watch how beautiful your skin is going to look. Now, for you to also have that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone on your face, I have a video on nice lightening face creams that will help you complement the glow effect you get from this product. So do well to check out that particular video once you're done watching this. So yeah, that is it on how to make your skin 2 to 3 shades lighter. I hope today's video was helpful. If you got up to this point, you're the real MVP. Catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.